Hello again. So, in this video, we would like to go over the chapter review of Pure Math 1. This is chapter 1. We would like to do most of these questions. Now, let's start. Question 1 here says simplify y to the power of 3 times y to the power of 5. This is indices, so we just add 3 plus 5. This is just going to be y to the power of 8. Now, question B is similar. 3x squared plus 2x to the power of 5. We multiply the numbers first. 3 times 2 is 6. And then x to the power of times x to the power of 5 is x to the power of 7. And that's it. Now, C. This is a nice question. It's 4x squared all to the power of 3 divided by 2x to the power of 5. The law of indices says split this power. Give this a 3 and this also a 3. So the first part is going to be 4 to the power of 3 and then x squared to the power of 3. Now 4 to the power of 3 is 4 times 4. 16 times 4 is 64. And then x to the power of 2 times 3, which is x to the power of 6, isn't it? Let me just erase this. We don't need it anymore. All this is, let's even this one, let's write it up. So it's 64 x to the power of 6 divided by 2x to the power of 5. I just want to write it down here. 2x to the power of 5. That's equals 64 divided by 2 is 32. And then x to the power of 6 divided by x to the power of 5 is just 1x. And that's your answer. Now, D. This is yours. Please try it and comment your answer. And if you couldn't do it, then just ask in the comments. We will help you. Now, part B, expand and simplify. The first one, we use FOIL. Front, outside, inside, last. So front, x times x is x squared. X times negative 5 is minus 5x. And then 3 times x is 3x. And finally, 3 times negative 5 is minus 15. Now, these look alike. Minus 5x plus 3x is minus 2x. So it's going to be x squared minus 2x minus 15. B is yours. C is yours. Oh, look at C. It looks scary, but it's just a piece of cake. You multiply this here, there, and there. You multiply here, there, and there. Please try this and comment. Now I'll do the first one here. These are 3 brackets. The first one is easier, so let me just do the difficult one so that you don't say the teacher does the easy ones. No, I'm going to do this. Now, I'll first take these 2 brackets. So, x times x. Oh, sorry. So x times x is x squared. And then x times negative 3 is minus 3x. And then 2 times x is 2x. So minus 3x plus 2x is just minus x. And finally, 2 times 3 is minus 6. Now all this should be multiplied by the last bracket, which is x plus 7. Now how do we do this nice question here? Oh, there are a lot of lines. Let me just erase them. Now, this time this, and this time that. So x squared times x is x cubed. x squared times 7 is 7x squared. We finished with the x squared. Now let's do the minus x. Why is this 2 is not allowing me to write? Now minus x times x and minus x times 7. So minus x times x is minus x squared. Minus x times 7 is minus 7x. We finished with that. Finally, minus 6 times x and minus 6 times 7. Minus 6 times x is minus 6x. And finally, minus 42. Now, we don't have enough space, so I'll just erase this and I'll write it up there. Now, we collect like terms. There is one term only having x cubed, so I'll just write it up. Now, the ones that's having x squared are this and this only, right? Yeah. So 7x squared minus x squared is 6x squared. And then minus 7x minus 6x is minus 13x. Finally, minus 42. How was this? Was it easy? Please try to do question A and also C. You got the idea, right? Now expand the brackets. This is just easy. Now part B is doable. Let's do it. Try question 1, alright? Try the first part, A. Now let's do B. Similarly, we multiply this here, there, and there. So 5x squared times 3, 5 times 3 is 15, and then x squared, and then 5x squared times minus 5x. 5 times 5 is 25. X squared times x is x cubed. Have you noticed that the power is usually a problem? It's not easy to write. Now 5x squared times 2x squared. So 5 times 2 is 10. And x squared times x squared is x to the power of 4. I don't think we can collect any terms here. That means this is the final answer. Now, what do some students do is they write it like this. They see the answer like that. They say, no, I write 10x to the power of 4 first, minus 25x cubed plus 15x squared. If you write it like this, it's fantastic. It's the full mark. It's very good job. Good boy. No one asked you to do this. It's correct. No one will say it's wrong. But please don't add extra work. Leave it like this. That's it. If you do more work, you may get more mistakes. Did you get me? If the question didn't ask you to do something, please don't do it. Now, question C. Oh, it's doable. Alright, I'll do it. I'll do question C. Now, what I will do here, I'll multiply this time this, so it's 10x squared. This time this is 15x. Now, this is the tricky part here. That's sorry. That's why what's happened to my voice. Now, this is why I wanted to solve this question. This minus here tricks everyone. Don't let it trick you. Now, we will do minus 2x times 1. So it's just minus 2x. Now, minus 2x times minus 3x, it's plus 6x squared. This is the tricky part here. The minus and minus should be positive. Many students forget about that. Now collect like terms. 6x squared look like 10x squared, so 16 x squared, and then 15x minus 2x is 13x. And that's your lovely full mark. Now, question D, it's yours. Please try this one and comment your answer. It's just a copy of what I did. Now, let's look at... Oh, we did a lot. Oh, we finished up to question 4 now. Now, question 5. I think this is factorizing quadratics. No, it's not quadratics. It's just factorizing. Now, the question says, factorize these expressions completely. Now, the first one here, what I will do is I'll just look at what's in here and here at the same time. What's here and there? It's just x, isn't it? So I'll take the x out. What's left inside in the first part? 3x is left because we took the x out, so you just have 3x. Plus, we took this x out, so the 4 is staying lowly here. Now, B is yours, right? C is mine. Oh, I should have said this is yours. Oh, no, no problem. So, what's in here, here, and there at the same time? What can we see in all these terms? It's just x, isn't it? So take it out. What will be left in the first term? It's x squared. We took one x out, so we have x. Plus, we took the x out, we'll just have y. We took the x out, we have y squared. And that's your full mark. There is nothing else you can do. Please try this question. Now. Alright, now this is quadratics. How do we do question 6? How do you factorize these? Now, to factorize quadratics, think of two numbers, multiply to make 2 and add to make 3. What two numbers multiply to make 2 and add to make 3? They are just two numbers multiplied to make 2. It's 1 and 2. That means it's just 1 and 2. This is how you write them. You open brackets like this, x plus 2 and x plus 1, and you finished with this question. Now let's look at question B here.